What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you some hidden secrets from the trash or the bin from your Windows, okay? Go to your desktop and find the bin. This one right here, okay? This. Right click with your mouse button over it and go to properties or type out and enter. You're gonna be able to find this menu right here, okay? There is a couple of nice options right here. The bin go to local disk and we have changed the size, okay? The maximum size in MBs that can be present on your bin, okay? You can change this number in the case that you want. You can don't move files to the recycling bin. You can remove file immediately, okay? In the case that you do not want to have a chance of recycle. For example, you delete some photo by mistake, it goes to the bin. But if you mark this option, it's gonna be deleted forever, okay? I recommend that you use the custom size and set the size in a lower number. And you can display delete confirmation dialog, okay? It can be up to you. And that is. After doing the change, you can apply your change and type OK to make the change permanent, okay? Just like this. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!